Chief Innocent Ifediaso Chukwuma was a Nigerian magnate who created the vehicle manufacturing company in Africa. He started this vehicle manufacturing company in the year 2007 and became the largest car manufacturing plant in West Africa. Chief Innocent Ifediaso attended nursery and primary school, and after that attended a secondary school in Inewi, Eastern Nigeria. One thing that surprises me is that he didn't go to college or university. He was just a high school graduate in Africa.
After Innocent completed his secondary education in 1978, he dreamt of becoming an engineer. He applied to study engineering at the university, but couldn't get in that year, because he did not make the cutoff mark. Before then, he was assisting his elder brother in his medicine store while he awaited the admission result. During this process, Innocent discovered that he has a natural talent for trading. When he didn't meet the admission cutoff, he easily moved on since he has a flair for trade. His brother, Gabriel, took him to Chief Ramanasis Onwuka, popularly known as Rajeni, where he served as an apprentice for a year. Within a year of his apprenticeship, he mastered the act of buying and selling of motorcycle parts, and later returned to his brother, Gabriel. At this time, his brother has registered Gabros International to trade in motorcycle parts and gave Innocent the sum of N3,000 to start the business. With free hand to run the new venture, Innocent rented a shop and bought the first goods. A year later, Innocent and his brother took stock of both the medicine store and motorcycle parts business. They found out that the motorcycle parts business was generating 10 times more income than the medicine store. His brother then decided to close the medicine store and paid full attention to the auto spare part business. In 1981, Innocent Chukwuma departed from his brother and started trading in Honda motorcycle parts. Armed with his savings and the cash his brother gave him, he began trading under the name Innocent Nigeria Limited. As time progressed, he started importing motorcycles. Chief Innocent Chukwuma identified a problem. He realized that people were buying second-hand motorcycles because the new ones were expensive. He then sought ways to cut down the cost of imported new motorcycles so Nigerians can afford new motorcycles. This he did by importing the motorcycles disassembled, so more motorcycles can fit into the container, and getting them assembled here in Nigeria. He set up a plastic factory. In his words, "I looked at a motorcycle and realized that there is a lot of plastic on the body. So I set up a plastic factory. I decided to produce all the plastic components in my factories so that more units of the spare parts can go into a container." Started the first indigenous vehicle manufacturing company. One of Innocent Chukwuma's cutting-edge achievement is the establishment of automobile manufacturing company in Nigeria. The business mogul established the first indigenous vehicle manufacturing company in Nigeria. According to him, he noticed everyone was involved in motorcycle business, including the Indians in Nigeria. And also, the state governments started banning commercial motorcycles due to involvement of riders in heinous crimes and high fatalities. So, he decided to go into manufacturing of motor vehicles. Its product line includes high-capacity city bus, safe and cost-effective mini and midi buses, pickup trucks and garbage collecting vehicles. The company also provides good services for repairs and parts supply. Today, Innosson Vehicle is ranked as the largest indigenous vehicle manufacturing company in Africa.